Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how people are valued nowadays in society and how they should be valued. In present times, materialistic things become a measure of your value. Your social and financial status become a measure of your value. And how wrong this ways of knowing someone's worth, we will prove that with a story. Once a teacher was teaching in his class. He took out 100 rupees note from his pocket in order to teach something new. He showed the note to the student and said, "Can you tell me how much rupee note this is?" All the students said 100 rupee. Teacher said, "Who would like to take this note?" All of them raised their hands. Now the teacher took the note in the fist and mashed it badly. Teacher again showed the note to the students and said, "Now this note was crushed. Who would like to take this?" All the students again raised their hands. Now the teacher threw the note on the ground and he crushed the note badly with shoes. Again the teacher asked the student that who would like to take this note. Again they were ready to take the note. Teacher said, "Today you learnt a great lesson. This was 100 rupee note. When I mashed it with hand, its cost remained the same. Then I rubbed it with my shoes. It got dirty. Even then it was 100 rupee note." In the same way, the value and ability of a human being remains the same. No matter how many difficulties you face, we don't lose our cost. We were worth a lot yesterday and we didn't lose that worth even today. Don't ever measure your value according to social standard. People can surely make you feel like you don't have any value. But you should remember that you are the same person that you were yesterday. If someone loses his wealth or fame with time, people make him feel like he is not important anymore. But always know and remember that the value comes with a person, not with wealth and fame. It was you who earned that wealth. It was you who earned that fame. And you are still the same person. So you don't lose your value with materialistic things. If you earn them once, you can earn them again. The most important thing required in that is you. So always know your worth and never let people make you feel any less. Thank you.